Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a very important article, Properties of Operations with Complex Numbers. Now, this article we have already studied in number system, but now here we are going to study these properties in complex numbers with respect to operation, addition and multiplication first. Now we already have done it in number system, so we are familiar with most of the properties. Knowingly or unknowingly, we have used these properties in the problems of number system. Now we are going to use these properties in our exercise also. So first we'll come to know how to use them, then we will obviously use it in our exercise. So let us study these properties. First one is closure property. Now, if any two complex numbers z1 and z2 are given to you, then z1 plus z2 becomes a new complex number. Similarly, z1 into z2 is another complex number. So, z1 and z2 are giving to the new complex number, or z1 into z2 gives you the new complex number, means set of complex number is closed with respect to addition and multiplication. Now comes the second property, commutativity. That is addition and in multiplication, order of adding the numbers is immaterial. It does not matter. For example, if you have two complex numbers, then z1 plus z2 is equals to z2 plus z1. And similarly, in multiplication, z1 into z2 is equals to z2 into z1. Therefore, it is commutative with respect to addition and multiplication both. Similarly, associativity is z1 plus z2, adding them in the bracket plus z3 gives you equals to z1 plus within bracket z2 plus z3. That means if three numbers z1, z2, z3 are to be added, then their order of addition is again immaterial. Similarly, multiplication z1 z2 within bracket into z3 is equals to z1 within bracket z2 z3. So these three properties, I hope they are clear to you. Now comes existence of identity. Look, in set of complex numbers, we call 0 plus 0i as the additive identity. Identity element is the element which added to the number gives you the same number. So z plus 0 plus 0i is equals to z, plus 0 plus I into 0 plus z will also be again z. Therefore, we say that 0 plus I0, or simply 0 also you can say, is a additive identity. Now comes multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1 plus 0i. So z multiplied by 1 plus 0i is equals to simply z. Similarly, equals to 1 plus 0i into z. That is, one side is called left hand identity, the other side is called right hand identity. Now comes existence of inverse. Now for every z, this symbol which I have used here is there exists minus z, such that z minus z is equals to identity element, that is 0. So for every complex number, if you change the sign of the complex number, make it negative, then obviously you get the inverse with respect to addition. And with respect to multiplication, when you have to find out the inverse, it has to be z into 1 over z. So that gives you the multiplicative identity 1 equals to 1 by z into z. Now the next property is again a very important property, distributive property. That is, if you have three complex numbers, then multiplication is always distributing over addition. So z1 within bracket z2 plus z3, if three complex numbers are being operated with plus and multiplication sign, then multiplication is distributed over the elements of bracket. Hence, equals to z1 z2 plus z1 z3. This is simply the opening of brackets. You all know in number system we do the same procedure. Here in complex number also this procedure is very much valid. Hence these are the properties which we will be using in our exercise. So you need to know all these properties and learn them also, or keep it in your mind so that whenever required you may use them according to the requirement in the question.